Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Permark, analyst at Hantec, on Thursday the 6th of February. Looking at cable, which is actually holding up fairly well actually in the last few days. It's once more come back to this key support band actually on a 2020 basis anyway, 2940 to 2960 time, and again has been tested as a basis of support and held. And again throughout this week, basis of support is holding around that sort of level. Now, once more we've dipped back under 30 big figure, so the pressure is on, and you would argue that there is a mild corrective bias starting to sort of leak into the market, I suppose, with the stochastics falling back towards that 20 mark again. MACD line is just beginning to edge lower, but RSI still remains sort of in that low to mid 40s area. 43, 44 seems to be sort of a bottoming area for the RSI over recent months. And the market hasn't broken down really, in the fact that other markets such as the yen or other indicators, other currencies such as the yen and the euro have been under pressure against the dollar. Well, cable is holding ground fairly well actually if you look at it on a near to medium term basis. So it is holding up all right, and the fact is on the hourly chart you can see fairly mixed indicators really, little real direction coming through. You've got very choppy moves on this market on cable. The failure at 3070 back yesterday as the market fell sharply into the afternoon, but again holding up around that 2940 to 2960 area basis of support. So if you can move back above 30 figure, that improves the outlook, and then a sort of 3010, there's a small or a slight near-term pivot area around that 3010 mark. So then you can start to build the prospects of a recovery again. But for now, obviously, sterling is slightly under pressure, sort of 20 pips down on the day now, back around that 2980 mark. But for now, if it can hold on to that support, then the outlook remains fairly mixed. To close below 2940, which was Tuesday's low, a close below that level would put the pressure on again 129 figure, and then that would become, I think, the important level, because that would be your first really key sort of key level of support being tested. I think that December low, which was the test in the reaction post the UK election, and then since then the market's been reacting sideways. But breaching that to the downside would really suggest that there is a new form of lower highs and lower lows developing, and that turns a consolidation into a more of a bearish trend. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.